Hey guys, it's me, Kimberly. Welcome to my design process. We started with this client while their space was under renovations, which is perfectly fine as long as we know where all the drywall is going to be situated. We're good. So what we needed to do was to create a space that was complete from head to toe using a fireplace and a TV as our focal point. So this space is off of the kitchen, and this is the great room. This is where everyone congregates, family comes over, watching hockey, TV shows, American Idol, you name it, it's going to be watched on this TV. We placed the majority of the seating in front of the window with a sectional. Unfortunately, most of these rooms are super slender, so the TV becomes the spot where everyone wants to sit in front of. We added a swivel chair to the left of the TV that would be good for conversation with the rest of the group, but also to spin and watch TV as well. As you can see, the transformation from the construction phase to the 3D concept rendering phase to the actual product is a massive transformation. The big sectional with the swivel chair, a coffee table and a little martini table for the swivel, then an ottoman that you can move around either to put your feet up or have extra seating, a floor lamp that adds extra accent lighting, a few pieces of art to tie in the colors of the pillows on the sofa with a great big, huge, massive, beautiful rug. I'm really happy with the way this space turned out. Come back next week for more design process.